How to fix watch video tab or icon missing on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on your device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now then go to settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on tab bar. Now click on customize the bar. Now select the video. Now next to video, tap on auto. If it's not showing for you, simply tap on pin. Now go back. Now go back to the home screen. Now restart Facebook. Now check if it's solved or not. If nothing solves the issue, go to the Play Store. Tap on the source icon. Now type Facebook. Now make sure to update to the Facebook. Now restart Facebook. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.